Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to stop getting emails from Indeed. Managing your email preferences can help reduce inbox clutter and ensure you only receive notifications that are important to you. So, let's get started on how to stop getting Indeed emails. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Communication Settings. Now, tap on Email. Uncheck all the options if you don't want to receive any emails. Tap on Unsubscribe from all commercial emails to stop receiving promotional emails. And that's how you can stop getting Indeed emails. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.